We are 20th day of June, back to 50s, 52nd annual. This was a nice one. I like this one, Impala. Love the tools they got. Very, very cool. Very simple to fix. Lots of people here on Father's Day weekend. Beautiful vehicle. Gotta like that, huh? Very, very nice. Got a motor in there. How easy it is to get at. Very, very nice.
Where they used to have the environmental bill.
It's a 59 Impala. Lots of crowds here today. We'll go over here. This stuff over here. It's a nice convertible. 64 or older here. It's just a nice vehicle. It's very simple. That bad boy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my word. This would be a great one. Going Route 56. Look at that. Clean as a whistle, man. Nice. Impala SS. Got the manual.
I want him to turn it on.
Very, very nice. Gotta love it. 64. I love you can get at those motors. The brake thing right there. That red would be a great one to go up and down Route 56. That'd be cool as hell. Nice Plymouth. Please don't touch my beautiful body. Yeah, okay. Look at that. Just kind of the way he got it, you know. Buffed it down. Really nice. Uh, 1947 Plymouth. That is a 1940 Chevy. Very nice. Good old Jeep. 1965. I had a Chevelle, two-door. Long, long time ago. '64 Chevelle. Nice. Like bad boy. Nice wagon. It's a cool little wagon. I like this one. Very, very nice. What year is this bad boy? 1934. I mean, I love old vehicles. I know some of the Impala Chevys, but not all of them. The Pontiac wagon. That's a 55 wagon. Nice. Love to have a wagon collection. Be so cool. Yes, you can sit in it. I like that. You can get a sucker here. That's kind of nice. Cool. I've seen him before. Nice. Look at that bad boy. Getting that sucker. Woo. Yeah. Classic buffed out.
I called the driver's seat first. You guys can both take turns.
Fleetwood Master.
And not to mention
Very
that
nice.
we were on the
There's no plane.
backside by the.
Which way you walking?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm just gonna
Where do you want to sit?
1947. Kind of a cool one here. 1949. A fun show to come to. A lot of fun.
Well, these guys took them almost.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Another classic one they just kind of left the way, you know. Well, I've been coming for 20 years, 10 years filming, but it's so much fun. Father's Day weekend. Favorite color for a car. It's for sale. 37 Chevy, 40 grand. 651-755-33335. Mm-hmm. Very nice. Nice. 63 Chev, C10. Nice. Mm-hmm. I love the motor of this one. You can get right at it. Very nice. Oh my God. 56 Chev. No, it's good to see people in their kids here for the family. Cause what?
I like your T-shirt. What does it say in the front? Caution, my body is always.
Monetize. Monetize. When you're working, you monetize. Like strippers get their bodies monetized, but when you're working, your body's what? Monetized.
It is?
Yeah, well, because you're making money. If you're,
I don't work. I just click the mouse and make money on the stock market.
well, you're still monetizing your body. He doesn't get it. I always aim to misbehave in the back of it. 59 Oldsmobile. Big 4-door. Before in these videos, I can't get them all. So many. We'll see what I can do. Bought all 3 batteries. What time is it? Almost 2 o'clock. So quick ferry get in here. I was almost going to pay $20 to park, but no, I'm not going to do that. This kind of looks like a 4-door. My goodness, that's a. Saw some cars breaking down. Nice. $5. Nice. Low rider. Nice. Love the engine. Classic.
Look at that swimmer cap.
Let's see what year it is.
Yeah.
There's another nice one here.
I love it.
Ooh, broken glass right there.
Engine compartment's really gotta be like
I'll bet you this car weighs 5,000 pounds.
Oh, he does. Pure steel. That's a Bel Air right there. That's a rare car. That bad boy. Classic. Look at that Corvette. Nice one. Wait till they get out of there.
Mom, are these the lights that when it's
Nice one.
these flip up?
What year is that?
No way, what am I?
What? Nice.
It's like it has little eyes.
Huh. Very, very nice. All waxed up. Rained yesterday. Some have the years in them, some won't, some do, some don't. This one does not, so I have no idea. It's a Chieftain. So Very cool. '55 Ford. So. Although it's natural. Purple Rain, baby. For sale, 25K. 763-300, 5813. That bad boy classic. Nice. So I'm out here in the street here. They're always driving around. That's a nice one right here, huh? Very nice.
What do you want for it? I said, well, it's going to cost me money to get rid of it. It's 18 years old. I said, I'll give it to you.
I can tell. All kinds of food here. Very nice. What do you guys think, huh? Look at that engine. There's a easy get at it. Plymouth. Very nice. Anyways, look at that bad boy. Whew. I don't know what that is. Let's see what this thing is. Is it GMC or not? Let's see what it is. Rambler, yeah, it's a GMC, it's a Rambler. I love the GMCs. They got some cool vehicles. Look at that convertible over here, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. That engine, I love to get at that engine. It's classic. Real easy. You love it. You got your brake stuff right here. Your fuel pump probably down there. Easy to get the oil change, alternator, all this stuff. Beautiful vehicle. Convertible, obviously. Doesn't have the year on it. So. Oh yeah. All right, let's go to the next one. Hope you enjoy this one.